What we talked about during reading on September 16th, 2020. We discussed these 6 vocabulary words: trip, partner, wished, last, kind, and together. We defined them, then we did some connection activities to help the students better understand those words. Like, for example, I asked the students, would you rather go on a trip to the mountains or to the ocean? If you wish for something to happen today, what would it be? So on and so forth. Then we moved on to modify and clarify. So we discussed how we have to pay attention as we read, and if something doesn't make sense, we try these things to help us better understand the story being given. So, for example, we read the book again to help us understand the story that we're reading. Then we connect the text to our everyday life. So, for example, I reminded the students about where the wild things are. We looked in the first page and it was about a boy who liked to dress up uh, as a wolf. And so I connected the students to a story that they sometimes like to dress up and play wolf or play something else as well. The third thing we talked about was we asked questions. So why is the boy wearing a wolf pack? Why is he wearing a crown? What is the reason for all of that? And then we used visual clues. So we looked at the cover and there was a boat and there was water, and then there was a big monster on the front, and we wondered if those clues help us understand the story. And then we read the book My School Trip, which was about a student going on a school trip with her new friend. And during the story, we discuss visual clues. Like we discussed about a butterfly garden and how we really knew from this picture of that it was a butterfly garden. And then we made a prediction about what might happen, why the new student Nan is sad, and then we realized, why is she happy? And then we made a connection with last because that was one of our vocabulary words. And then we we brainstormed about when you come to a part you did not understand, what did you do to figure it out? We discussed, and that's what we did during reading on September 16th, 2020.